Okay, just in, and I have a parcel, and I do believe that this one is from the House of Resin, so that means that new colours have arrived. So I'm just going to quickly tidy this place up, and then we're going to have a look, see what's inside. Right, now that's a tidying done, I'm back. So I've got a few bits in this box, but let's get it open. I haven't had a look at any of it yet. I wanted to share it with you. Now, as most of yous are from over the pond, you will already have caster's choice. So, and I've been watching Brian, who did the colours. I've been watching him for quite a while, so I've been after these, and I really hoped that House of Resin, Metal Clay's House of Resin, would actually stock this. So I do believe that these are stickers, and we shall get to those after. So you too, when you get your orders, will get it like that. Now in this order I've got my resin as well, so I wouldn't normally have that, but we shall just unbox it as we go along. So I'm just going to leave that like that for a second. This is how my resin arrives. Tends to be about one a month of this bundle that I get to make sure that I've always got plenty of resin for you. I love these bags. They're great for when I've dried my wood and I put them inside it. Sorry about the background noise. All of this I keep for packaging. So let's put that down because that's just empty now. I'm going to put this down as well because hopefully you've all got, but you probably got smaller, you probably don't have that size of resin. So I'm going to put those down here just now, actually. First thing we're going to have a look at here. Let's open this up. No, actually we'll open that up next. I know what this one is. This is Lizard Blanks. This is also something I've been hoping they would get in from America. I actually have been watching Jared for quite a while. In fact, since it all started, I follow him on Instagram. Actually, that's where I mainly follow him from. So that's the beautiful blank, like the mould. So let's have a look at this. So this mould is unlike anything I have seen, because this has a top. So when this is the big mould and it fits inside my pressure pot with no issues, but with this mould I'll be able to put my pine cones in, and this has got an adjustable bit here so that when I put it in, I think I took that off them. Yeah, doesn't matter which way round it goes. I can push it down or up to wherever the blanks start. So it will sit down on top of the pine cones and push them down into the resin. And I think they're very simple, supposedly, to demould your blanks from this. So that is pretty exciting. I shall be doing a video with this very, very soon. Tremendously excited about that. I'm going to put that in that way actually, because I think that was the way it went. Okay, it wasn't the way it went. That's it. So I needed to just loosen that, and now I can tighten it. So that's the big mould. So you can now get these from House of Resin. He's got a full range of them in there, which is just brilliant news for us in the UK, and it looks absolutely beautifully made, which is just what I expected. So you'll see that one coming up soon. This area that you're seeing over here, this is where I take photographs. I have the two lights over here, and I take my photographs in here. I do prefer to take my photographs in the summer outside, but during the winter they needs to be in here. So next, let's have a look at these. Exciting times. Great range of colours. Look at that, how vibrant's that blue. Brilliant blue. And there's more. There's 29 currently in his set. That's one of my cats outside the door. Sunrise yellow. If you see the videos that are coming out and you see them in a caster's choice, the colours are so vibrant. So that is the complete set. So you're probably wondering why I've got the complete set. I wanted to start with a complete set. This will be the ones that I make all my stuff out of now. But I wanted the complete set to start with. I still have other colours floating about and stuff like that, so I will be using those, but these are going to be my new main colour. So 2 seconds. Come in. Come here. Oh, this is Dougal, who you don't often see. You wondering what Mum's doing? So he's jumped into a box at the corner there, which is normally for Lily. Oh, feeling special now? He doesn't normally get in here because he's a bit of a menace. So yeah, so I bought the whole set because this will be the complete set I use, and I think it'll be a bit easier for me when I'm doing stuff to let you know the exact colours, and this way I will be able to link all the colours in. These, you know, I'm not funded by the House of Resin. Yeah, I'm supported by them. but I only am supported by them because I truly believe in the amazing clear cast resin. And now that they've managed to bring it down within the same prices across the UK, in fact they're the cheapest place in the UK, you can't buy the amazing clear cast for that price anywhere else. You're alright, Dougal. So it'll be a lot easier anyway, because I'll be able to tell you exactly which ones that I'm using so that you can get a good idea. 2 seconds. So that's me finished. Hope you didn't mind me doing an unboxing. I've been very excited for this lot coming in, and I just can't wait to start. I mean, look how vibrant these colours are. I don't think you'd probably even see them, how vibrant they are. But don't worry, I'm going to take a picture, and that's going to be the picture that's on my thumbnail. So, because they are just super, super bright. Midnight purple. Don't know how I'm going to choose which ones I first use. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, you'll see these coming up. And if you want these mica powders, you can get them at the House of Resin. I shall leave all the links for it below. Go away and have a look. Also, I forgot about the stickers. So let me move these over here. So these are the new stickers that the House of Resin is doing, and when you order you'll get a sticker, and I think there's 12 in the collection. I don't have all 12, but he did kindly send me 6 or 7, and I am not going to show you them all, but I'll show you a couple, because they've gone away and they've really thought about this, and they've realised that the whole YouTube thing, everybody loves stickers. And yeah, we all do, and we all collect them, and there's a lot of people that are not on YouTube that are also collecting them, and they've all got their own little board that they keep in their little work area for their crafts. So, and you know, I'm sorry to everybody in America, but maybe you have stickers out there from companies, I don't know. But obviously the House of Resin is a UK, and they have done some unique stickers. And I'll show you two of them. So, most of you will know, watching resin work, what this one means. I'm a dirty paw, which I personally think is their best one. And I shall show you another one, but I'm not going to show you them anymore, because what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go away and put your little order in to get your sticker out. I make poor decisions. They're all really corny, but isn't that brilliant? So you will see these actually up and on the board, and as time goes on and I end up getting repeat ones, we maybe do some swaps. I'm quite happy to swap with anybody. Once I get the full set and I get more, then I'm quite happy to swap and or do some giveaways, or the first person that comes and maybe likes and shares a video will get, you know, a sticker. But you will see me doing a little bit more with these once I've got the full collection, because I'm desperate to get them all. And like I say, I don't have them all here. But I hope over the next few months, with picking up my resin and stuff like that, that I might get a few more. So those are something to look forward to in the future. If you do collect stickers and you maybe have a sticker board in your little work area, these are going to be the stickers. For all yous in America, you will be, when I start to get double ups, and just on an odd video, I will do it on, might be on the end of a normal video, I'll put something there. I maybe ask you at what time what happened, like what was I doing at 1 minute 27, and the first person that gives me the answer I will send them the sticker out to. So watch, even if you're not in the UK, there's a good chance that you could get some of these stickers, and maybe some of the other makers in the UK maybe do something similar. So I don't know, not spoke to them about it, but I just thought it's a way of use in the States getting hold of some of these stickers, and these are going to be very unique because they're going to be quite unique to the UK and to the House of Resin. So anyway, thank you very much House of Resin for giving me these stickers, and this is the start of a collection. And also keep an eye, they're doing the giveaway on the House of Resin website, YouTube channel to now, and I think that's for £25 store credit. So keep an eye there, because £25 store credit goes quite a long way in resin. So, or colours, or anything else really. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. I'm definitely going now. So, and enjoy the video, which will be coming out probably over the next couple of days, because this is Monday, not sure when this is going to go out. I'm hoping it might go out this evening if I'm quick. Right, see you later.